Hi, my friend, and welcome back to day 2 of our 10-day face healing challenge. I'm happy that you're joining me again today, or if you're new here, make sure you check out the other days as well. This is really a chance for us all to connect with ourselves and stay consistent. And really, by the end of this 10-day ritual and challenge, you are going to feel so much more relaxed, your calm nervous system, your skin is going to look glowy and lifted and refreshed. So today we're going to be working on depuffing our eye area. So many of us are waking up in the morning and we have puffy eyes and we're dark circles under our eyes. So today we're going to be taking just 5 minutes to reconnect and depuff and brighten the whole eye area. So let's begin. Okay, so we're gonna start by applying a little bit of moisturizer. In my case, I'm applying Global Treasures. This is an eye and neck balm that I love using for days when I feel extra puffy or I have dark circles under my eyes. It's so nourishing and soothing, and it smells amazing as well. And it contains coffee beans, so it really helps with the depuffing. We're going to gently just apply a little bit here underneath the eyes, going out to the temples, and we can also apply a little bit of that balm right here over our eyes on our brow bone. Okay. So we're going to start by gently doing a little bit of tapping underneath our eyes here and around our eyes. Remember, whenever we're working with the eye area, just to be very gentle. So this movement right here is going to help boost the blood circulation, delivering fresh nutrients and oxygen to our entire eye area here. And this is going to help with those dark circles and even with that stagnation and puffiness. Remember to breathe. Take a nice deep breath. This is not just depuffing the eyes. This is also a time for you to take a moment for yourself and reconnect. Wonderful. Okay, so the next exercise, it's a face yoga exercise that I love. So we're gonna take our fingers, we're gonna place them right here in the inside corner of the eye, and then place the other 2 fingers here by the temples or the outer edge here. And then we are going to almost squint our eyes a little bit here. It kind of looks like this, and then go back to normal. And then we're gonna do this 7 times. Wonderful. This exercise is amazing for strengthening and toning. Oh my God, I can't talk today. Strengthening and toning the muscles around our eyes here. So this is going to help with the dark circles and really waking up the eyes and really kind of reducing some of the lines and wrinkles or even kind of sagging skin around here. So we're gonna do this one more time, 7 times here. So we're gonna place our fingers here, gently squint a little bit here, and you're gonna feel a little bit of a pulsating movement right here. And that's completely normal. That means that the muscles are contracting. And even if you don't feel it, that's completely fine as well. Wonderful. Okay, so the next exercise or massage I like to do is just taking my fingers here. Make sure you have some of the balm or the moisturizer on around your eyes. And then I just like to take my fingers here and glide them all the way out to the temples like this. Remember gentle movements. We're just really helping to drain some of that excess fluid now. Because the reason we get puffy eyes is that excess fluid is underneath here, and so it's not draining properly. Great, and we're gonna go on the other side. Wonderful. We're going to do this now on top. So I'm just going to take my fingers here and glide all the way from the inner corner here, all the way out. Nice deep breath. Wonderful. So next we're just going to rub our palms together. I love doing this at the end of a session because it kind of just seals in all that work that we've been doing, calming our face, our skin, and our entire nervous system. And so we're just going to place our hands now over our eyes and take a nice deep inhale. Hold for a few seconds here and release. Great. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this session. Make sure to check out day 1 if you haven't already, or check out day 3 when it becomes live. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.